Question number 20, A part, write the function of placenta in females, and B part, list 4 ways of preventing pregnancy and state 2 advantages of using such preventive methods. Moving towards the solution. First, A, placenta is a disc-like tissue which develops between the uterus wall and embryo. So, role of placenta: first, exchange of water between the mother and the fetus. Second, exchange of nutrients. Third, exchange of respiratory gases. Fourth, excretion of nitrogenous waste from fetus. Nitrogenous waste crosses the placenta and is removed by mother's kidney. Fifth, antibodies also cross the placenta and provide immunity to the baby. The B part, we have to discuss about how we can prevent pregnancy. First, natural methods. In this method, sexual act is avoided from the 10th day to the 17th day of the menstruation cycle, since during this period ovulation is expected. Therefore, the chances of fertilization are very high. Barrier methods. In this method, the fertilization of ovum and sperm is prevented with the help of physical devices such as condom and diaphragm. Third, oral contraceptives. In this method, tablets or drugs are taken orally. These contain small doses of hormones which prevents the release of eggs and prevent fertilization.